good evening, everyone, team. First of all, a warm welcome, every one of you, for today's demo on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application, and also welcome you all to Triotech software trainings. So I'm Kumar, and I will be the trainer for this program on Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications, and I'm also a director for Triotech software trainings team. So before starting the session for today, I'm having an announcement for every one of you who are in the class today. So what was that? What is that, team? See, today in the session, we kept everyone in mute. Probably some of you might be already tried to unmute yourself, and some of you been chatting us in the chat button also by this time. So today in this session, we kept everyone in mute only for today, not everyone, not every day. The reason why we kept everyone in mute for today's session is today in this session, we have mix of participants attending from different backgrounds. Among you people in the call today, we have completely freshers who are recently college passed out, probably last month or this month, whoever recently passed out from their colleges, completely freshers, and they want to start their career in IT industry by choosing a good technology in the market. We have participants from that background, and we have freshers with the career gaps 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years after their graduation, still in the struggling phase, looking for a good technology in the market or a good trainer or a training institute in the market to start their career in IT with a very good package. And also we have people from non-IT experiences. You might have experience in your career, but not into IT industry. You might be working as sales associates or what do you say, investment banking associates, or you might be working as a HR recruiters or HR associates or admins or talent acquisition specialist, or you might be working in BPO or call center, or you might be working in some insurance agencies or insurance agents, etc. You have different non-IT experiences. Now you want to choose one good technology in the market which is suitable to your profile to start new career in IT. We have that kind of people also in the call today. And also we have the candidates who are already in IT industry. Prior to this Oracle Fusion, you might be working in different applications or domains. You might working as a DevOps engineer, or you might working as a Azure or AWS specialist, or you are into MSBI, Oracle DBA, or PeopleSoft, EBS consultant. You might have prior IT experiences, but your technology or your domain got saturated, and you are looking for a career wise upgrade, so that you are looking for a good technology to start your career advancement. We have that kind of participants also in the call today. And we have people who having a very long career breaks after 5 years, 10 years, or 15 years of the career break. Now you want to restart your career. We have that kind of people. And women participants, after your marriages, you might have a long breaks in your career. Now you want to start your career in IT industry. See, people from how many different backgrounds we have here. Why we kept everyone in mute is, if I start taking up the questions now onwards, your query or a question might not be relevant to others. Your background is different, the other participant background is different. If I start answering to them, you might get carried away. You might get tensed or worried. You might be not understanding what we're discussing now. So by keeping everyone interest in mind, I kept everyone wantedly in mute. So don't worry. What I'm going to do is at the end of the session, I will open the mic. We will have a detailed Q&A round. I will be available and I will address all your queries at the end. If you want to speak with me in Telugu also, I will be able to address. You can able to discuss with me at the end. My request is just be on mute, focus on the session for next 1 hour or 1.5 hours. My personal feeling is maximum 70 to 80% of the questions what you have in mind at this point of time. At this point of time, what you have in mind with this session only, I'm going to answer you. Okay. So if you focus the session for next to 1 hour to 1.5 hours, all your queries or doubts regarding your profile will get answered with my session only. Right, team? Because I know generally people when they interacting with me, when they're taking a career counseling with me or my team, I started Triotech in 2015. Since this last 11 years, I trained thousands of students across different technologies. When they interact with me, the common questions that people will have in mind, Kumar, first of all, what is this technology is about? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud, Redwood plus AI. What is this course is about? Does this course suitable to me? I came from this so and so background. Am I eligible to learn this course? Or Kumar, I don't know any prerequisites. No languages I know. I don't know SQL, PLSQL, Java or basic C language or C++. I don't know anything. Am I able to learn this course? What will be the career prospects? How the market now? What sort of packages companies offering? Or once we learn this technology, what sort of companies will recruit us? And what kind of work we will do in that company, right? These all will be your questions at this point of time, right, team? And also, Kumar, everywhere today the role of AI we are seeing in entire IT industry. Due to that, many layoffs we are hearing. Will our job in trouble if we learn this technology? How long from today? We are in 2026. Today is April 30th. Now, if I choose this as a career and in next 3-4 months, if I enter the organization, next how many years I can be with this technology in the market? Any recession impact? We have this. These all questions generally people will have, team. So I planned today's demo with that engaging aspect only. By the time I complete the class, all the questions what I told to you right now, you will be getting answered with this team. But still, if you have on top of this anything, at the end, we will detailedly discuss. Please jot down the questions, write it down, keep it with you. At the end, I will have a detailed Q&A round. Right, team? So this is what the announcement. Why I kept everyone in mute, I'm telling you. Okay. Now, again, a warm welcome every one of you to Triotech Software Trainings. So why we are here today? Why you people join today's session, team? Today, I'm going to introduce to you how to land upon a high paying job. Today, I'm going to introduce to you how to land upon a high paying job, even as a beginner with zero coding knowledge and with non-IT experiences. Many people in the market today hesitate towards coding, right? Because in my experiences also, people will ask me the first question, Kumar, coding is not my part. I don't know any languages. I don't want to go with any coding related applications. If you teach me also, we won't understand that concept. Do we have any such technology to learn? Yes, we have one good technology in the market that is offered by Oracle. The name is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. What is the technology or the course name? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. Redwood and AI. These are the latest concepts that we got in this technology. So our training will be on that aspects as well. And as I told you, team, this is a completely zero coding application. When I say zero code, not minimal coding, moderate coding, nothing. Zero code. Already Oracle designed, developed, and delivered the application. We will work on the configuration of the application according to the client requirement with their data. That's all. We never involve in writing any code in the application. So this is one of the best technology in the market, which is completely zero coding application, team. And moreover, we don't have any prerequisites to learn this program. For example, if you have to learn DevOps or you want to learn AWS or any other technologies in the market you take, in order to learn those programs, you require prerequisites. Means what? You might have good knowledge in some coding related tools. You might require some knowledge in some languages. You might require SQL, PLSQL, Java, Python. These all requirements are there to learn those programs. But Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud is one such application we have in the market which have no prerequisites to learn. Anyone from any background with non-IT experiences, I am telling. So for non-IT people or for career gap people or from any educational background, you might be from BA, BCom, BSc, BBA, MCA or MTech, any stream other than BTechs or MTechs, you might have any degrees, you might have an MBA graduation with you. Companies will recruit the candidates in this domain. So I'm not telling this just like that. We have many testimonials from Triotech where people from arts background, even science background like B Pharmacy, MSc Chemistry, even these people also transition their career into IT. Companies only look at your technicality. Companies will look at your knowledge in this domain, relevant experience in this domain, not your education. What you have done is done. Today, we are in 2026. In this modernized world, only the technical skill that you have is only matter, right? So this is about team Oracle HCM Cloud application. So what do you mean by HCM, Kumar, here? The full form of HCM is what? HCM means Human Capital Management. Human Capital Management. So basically, this is a HR related software application available in the market. So any company, why they will use this Oracle HCM Cloud means in every organization, there will be HR department or HR business area. In order to handle the employees in the company, every company will have HR departments. So in order to handle all that HR related activities, every company require one tech based software application team. One such product offered by Oracle is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. So any company in order to perform their day-to-day HR activities, they will be using this technology. Now, immediately, some of you might be getting a doubt in mind. Kumar, this is HR related application you are telling. So once we learn this course, we will start our career as HR associates or HR consultants in the company, because we have learned that the salaries or the packages of HRs will not be that attractive. That is true. If any HRs in the call also, you know that. No, please don't get confused with that. The course is related or the technology is related to HR subject area, but you will not work as domain HRs. This is a this is a software application team. So once you learn this technology or the course, you will be working as Oracle Fusion HCM consultants in the market. In all so-called IT companies, there will be projects in this domain and you will be working in IT company as a consultant on this technology team. Many people will have this misconception. If we learn the program, we will start as HRs in the company. Don't think in that way. That is different. This is different. Okay. Now, before getting into the agenda for today's session, team, let me briefly introduce about myself. Okay. Let me briefly introduce about myself. But before that, team, I want to tell you something important. Already in your Zoom chat, our team sharing the Google form link. So I request everyone, please fill the Google form so that we can able to reach out to you for the further communication and all, team. So in your Zoom chat in the meeting, you are getting a pop-up. Our admin team sharing the Google form details to you. So please click on that link and fill the details to get in touch with you. Okay. Next. Yeah, thank you for the people who submitted, Nomani and all. Thank you. So before getting into the agenda for today's session, let me briefly introduce about myself, who I am, what experience I have in this domain, and what actually I will do. Okay. Because whenever you choosing any program in the market or in the industry, knowing about your trainer is also important. Probably many of you might aware of me, might be a reference you might be joining today, or some of you might be seeing me in the YouTube in my channel, something like that. But let me tell you for everyone. So as I told you, I'm Kumar and I'm the founder director for Triotech software trainings. And I also own another company, Triospace Overseas Consultancy. So for the study abroad students and also the employment visas and all, we have Triospace Overseas. And for trainings exclusively in Oracle technologies, we have Triotech software trainings. So I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist with overall 16 plus years of experience, in which 12 plus years into IT consulting. So from last 10 years, I'm working in this Oracle Fusion Cloud applications exclusively. And coming to my professional experience, I worked for close to 14 plus end-to-end implementation and support projects covering multiple legislations. So coming to the clients that I worked for the projects based out in US, UK, Australia, Finland, and UAE, right? So these are the clients that which I worked for in my experience team. So currently also I'm working for one of the global client where I'm working as a solution architect for that particular project, where I'm leading the team of 23 plus resources in that, where I'm working as a chief solution architect in that particular project. And also, I'm a corporate trainer, delivered 25 plus trainings for several companies. Like in Triotech, every month, how we conduct the trainings in this Oracle HCM Cloud, companies also will reach out for training their employees in this technology internally. So I completed close to 25 plus corporate trainings where we delivered certain training programs to their employees. And many of the companies that we tied up will be recruiting our candidates also every month from Triotech. And I'm an ex-Deloitte, Infosys, and E&Y employee. And also, as I told you, I'm an Oracle certified implementation specialist. Whatever the modules that we have in this technology, I have completed all the certifications for that modules team. So this is briefly about myself. And to mention about Triotech, we started Triotech in 2015, and coming to the uh, numbers, if we mention here, we trained so far 20 plus thousand students across different Oracle platforms team. We exclusively train the students only on Oracle Fusion applications. No other training we will be involved. Only Oracle Fusion applications we exclusively train the students. Close to 20,000 plus students we trained so far, and we completed more than 1,000 plus batches, including the regular and the corporate trainings. We have a huge instructor base of 40 plus. All are my colleagues, my friends who works in the real-time companies in the industries. They will be part of my training programs. And if you see some of our corporate training partners, for these all clients, DHL, Herbalife, American Express, Trinocat, Kuwait Finance House from Kuwait, for these all companies, TPI Composites from United States, for these all companies, we personally conducted corporate trainings for those employees. And few of the candidates have been recruited in DHL and American Express as well as part of our engagement with them. So this is about myself and Triotech team. And also we collaborated with the colleges and universities as well. So we recently collaborated with VVIT University, where we delivered trainings for all the final years who are in their placements. Like LTI Mindtree came to the campus to recruit the candidates in Oracle HCM Cloud as a freshers team. So I have conducted training for them, and close to 14 plus profiles have been selected for LTI Mindtree as a freshers in that. So you can see some of the program overview here, the pictures of the program overview here. And also I can tell you, we are the world's largest Oracle Fusion training community in the YouTube. So if you go to YouTube and if you type Triotech software trainings, you can able to see our presence team. Almost like 198K subscribers we have as of today. Every single day, I'll be sharing a content related to Oracle trainings. Oracle HCM, financials, technical, OIC. So you can even see our presence in the YouTube as well. Every time we will be sharing up some interview preparation tips, interview scenarios. So how to prepare for the jobs. All the knowledge sharing will be done in our YouTube channel. You can even follow our YouTube and subscribe for further more updates on this technology team. So this is brief intro about who I am and what is Triotech in the market today, right? Now, let me go to agenda for today's demo session. So what we are going to discuss in today's demo. First of all, I'll be introducing to you the concept of ERP. People who are from existing IT backgrounds, you might aware of this, but by keeping freshers and non-IT experienced people, I'm going to cover this area. What is ERP? Why companies will use them? And some of the ERPs that we have in the market, we will discuss here. Because our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application comes under that ERP family team. So what is ERP? We will discuss. And then I will talk about what is Oracle Fusion application is about, and Fusion applications evolution overview. Like exactly what is this Oracle HCM Cloud is about, what companies will do by using this product. Then prior to Oracle Fusion, what are the ERP products that we have in the market? When Oracle introduced this technology in the market, that all background or history about Oracle Fusion applications we will discuss here. And then I will talk about types of companies involved. See, any software application you take in the market, as an example, it might be Oracle Fusion, it might be Salesforce, Workday, SAP, DevApps, anything. Typically, three types of companies involved in the usability of any technology. Here I will introduce to you who is called as a vendor, who is called as client or customer, who is consulting company. Once you learn this technology, in what sort of companies you will be recruited, on what roles, that all we will see in types of companies involved with team, right? And then I will talk about Oracle Fusion environment releases. Like when Oracle introduced the Fusion applications in the market, what is the version that they came up with? Now we are in 2026, April 30 today. Since then till today, how the application got evolved, what is the latest version of the Fusion application, and Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy. That all we will talk here, team. And then the most important thing we will talk about modules in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud application. Many people will have a doubt here. Kumar, we heard about functional technical. One of my friend referred you and your institute to learn this program, but they told that learn functional from Kumar or technical from Kumar or some telling techno functional. What is this? Functional means what we have. Technical means what we have. Or techno functional means what we have. Market today interest is we have to learn. That all I will tell you here, team, right? And then I will talk about the career opportunities in this domain. Then I will introduce to you Oracle materials, how to access Oracle materials, what sort of materials that I will provide to you, that I will tell you here. Then I will talk about Oracle certification process as well. First of all, is it mandatory or not? I will tell you. And then what is the approach for that? I will tell you here, team. Then finally, I will conclude the session with why Triotech and why Kumar as your trainer particularly. What support that you will be getting from me and from Triotech, I'll be explaining you. And also, most important, the program schedule. Okay. From tomorrow, we are going to start with regular sessions. So what will be the course timings, course features, placement support? I will introduce to our placement team. And also there is a offer price that which we are giving for the people today. What is that early bird offer and what additional benefits you will get? So additional benefits worth 15,000 plus where you people going to get. What are they? That all I will tell at the end. So team, now I request everyone, please focus for next 1 hour. Today, we started the class already late by 10 minutes because few people joined late. Even now, few are joining. So today, as it is a demo session and also I have to interact with you after the class, slightly session will extend for more half an hour. So please be with me, concentrate, put aside your mobiles, everything. For next 1 hour, be very attentive and concentrate so that you will get maximum details what you are expecting from me. Okay. Now, before getting into introduction to ERP, number one, first of all, who will be the participants for this training program? Who can learn this course? If you fall in any of these criteria, definitely you can learn this program, team. See, if you are in your final year of degree, you are looking for a good technology in the market to start your career, then you are eligible. Or you have completed your graduation and you have some gap in between, don't know what to do, you are eligible to learn. Or if you are having a non-IT background and you want to make a career in IT, definitely it is suitable to you. And if anyone aspiring for a package of 25 to 45 lakhs per annum in next 4 to 5 years, I'm not telling today, as a fresher you will get this package, but next 4 to 5 years, if anyone having an aspiration to get settled with this range of package, then definitely you are suitable to learn this program. Ultimately, people from any degree, any background can learn this program. So if you fall in any of these criteria, you can learn this technology and you can start as your career. As I told you, again I am telling you, there will be no prerequisites to learn this course. It's completely zero coding application, team. Now I will move to introduction to ERP. What do you mean by ERP, team? ERP stands for Enterprise Resource Planning. So basically, it's a business process management software that manages and integrates companies' financial, supply chain, operations, manufacturing, and human resource activities. Okay. Generally, team, you take any company that you know in the market. You take any company. Let's say example, you take Reliance Industries, every one of us familiar, or Tata Group you take, or L&T, Cisco, or Apple, Amazon, Flipkart, Alibaba, any company that you know, take it as an example. Every company will have different business processes involved. In every company, there will be human resource department or business area where the HR people will handle all the employees in the company, starting from hiring of the employee, their transfers, their promotions, their onboarding, their terminations, their leaves, their salaries, their performance appraisal, entire hire to retire HR people in the company will handle. And in every company, finance department also will be there. The finance department people are responsible for entire cash management in the company. What amounts company receiving, what amounts going out of the company, their accounts, everything finance people will take care. Then if it is a manufacturing company, supply chain, procurement will be there. Then sales will be there. In every company in the market you take, there will be different business processes involved, team. So in order to conduct all these business activities, every company require a tech-based modular software applications. Kumar, prior to technology, everything, how companies operated 25 years back, 30 years back, or 40 years back, Kumar? Manual. Everything used to maintained in the books. They used to write down how many employees working in the company. Every day they used to take the attendance, who is present, who is absent. And every month end, they used to sit there and they used to distribute the cash to the employees and they used to write down in the book. Everything is to maintain manually. But with the intervention of technology in the market from 1980s, the entire globe businesses have been upgraded, team. Right? Technology, IT started in the market. So we have many tech-based software applications came in the market in order to conduct all these activities, team. Particularly, we have to talk about human resources because our course or technology is related to that team. So in order to conduct the day-to-day HR activities in the company, every company require a tech-based modular software application team. One such product offered by Oracle Corporation is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications, right? So ERP is a category, is a family. Under ERP family, different products are available, like Oracle offering Oracle Fusion, Oracle EBS, like that. Then we have SAP, we have Workday, we have Salesforce, we have Pegasus, and our very own Indian ERP became very famous recently, Zoho. So these are different ERP products available in the market team. We are going to learn one such global product in the market across the world companies will be using, that is Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud Applications team. So our course is related to HR business area. So as I told you here, what is Oracle HCM Cloud means these all are the HR activities in every company. So what HR people will do, they will hire and onboard the new employees in the company. They will set the goals. They will check the performance of the employee. They will process the salaries to the employee compensation. Then they will provide different leaves to the employees. They will review their talent. They will capture their attendance team, time and labor we have, right? From hire to retire. This is entire HR activities in every company HR people will do. So in order to do all these activities, every company, as I told you, require a modular tech-based application team. So our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud is that one only. Okay, that one only. So this is about team, the concept of ERP and some of the ERP products we have in the market. Now let us talk about the Fusion applications evolution overview. The next slide will be Fusion applications evolution path. See, prior to 2006, we are in 2026 now, exactly 20 years back I'm talking about. Prior to 2006, all these are different individual ERP products available in the market team. Oracle's own ERP product was Oracle e-business suite during that point of time. Even now we have EBS in the market. Then we have PeopleSoft, we have JD Edwards, we have Siebel, we have Hyperion. But the problem was prior to 2006, all these are individual products owned by different companies, different owners. But the problem was none of the applications during that time were very stable in all the business areas team. If you take PeopleSoft application was very mature and very strong in our human resource area. But PeopleSoft is not strong at financial, supply chain, or other business areas team. JD Edwards is very good at procurement and financials. Siebel is very good at CRM. Hyperion is very good at reporting. And Oracle's own e-business suite very good at financials business area. But the problem was none of the applications during that point of time was very good, matured in all the business areas team. So what Oracle did in the year 2006, in the year 2006, with $18 billion acquisition, one of the world's biggest acquisition during that point of time. With $18 billion acquisition, Oracle acquired all the existing products in the market. Oracle acquired PeopleSoft from PeopleSoft Corporation. Oracle acquired JD Edwards, JD Edwards World, Siebel, Hyperion. All the existing ERP products what we have in the market, Oracle acquired them. And what Oracle did, you know? Oracle taken the best of the best knowledge from them, from EBS, it taken financial knowledge. From PeopleSoft, it took HRMS knowledge. From JD Edwards, it took procurement knowledge. From Siebel, CRM knowledge. And what they did was they have developed a new age modernized application that is Oracle Fusion Cloud applications. In 2006, Oracle acquired all these products, and in the year 2011, Oracle introduced Fusion applications into the open world. Now, immediately, some of you might get a question. Kumar, we are in 2026 today, 30th April, Thursday. You are telling Fusion applications are 2011 launched application, means almost 15 years old age application you are teaching us today. Common question everyone will have. But that is not the reality, team. Oracle announced that they are coming with a new application on a cloud-based technology, a futuristic application in 2011. But the Fusion application market started from 2016 and 2017 onwards, team. Because any company, when they launch an application, it will take some time to penetrate into the market. For example, today you started a new business, team. You registered your company. You started a business. How much time it will take to get into the market and to grab the market, customer acceptance and all? It will take some time. Same with Oracle also, team. The actual market started to Oracle Fusion from 2016, 2017 and 2018 onwards only. And also I will tell you, why Kumar, not SAP, why Oracle? Some of you also have this question also in mind. Why not SAP? Why Oracle? Or why not Workday? Why Oracle? I'm telling you one thing. The biggest advantage Oracle have compared to other players in the market is Oracle acquired top of the top ERPs in the market. What Oracle doing today? Oracle insisting all their EBS customers, PeopleSoft customers, JD Edwards customers, Siebel customers to upgrade to Fusion. They are telling that they first told by 2030 they are going to stop the support. Now they increase it to 2035. They might increase or not, we don't know. But as of today, Oracle telling to their customers, by 2035, we are going to stop the support for these products. Already, new sales Oracle not doing, EBS PeopleSoft products. Whoever existing customers using this application, they are supporting. But Oracle is very clear in their mandate. They are going to stop the support in the coming days. So what Oracle insisting, only Fusion will be the future. Everyone have to migrate to Fusion. That is one big advantage Oracle is having compared to SAP or any other tools in the market, team. Already Oracle having a huge customer base. All those old customers migrating to Fusion, and also Oracle equally grabbing the new customers in the market with the latest economy pricing compared to SAP or Workday today. So that's the reason, team, Oracle Fusion applications became very popular today. And a sudden spike in the customer base we are seeing. Many companies purchasing the product from Oracle in order to use in their in-house. But the reality is people who working in this technology are not up to the mark. We have a huge resource crunch in the market today. That is the reason, team, companies hiring candidates in this technology phenomenally. A person with 10 lakhs package, suddenly company offering 20 lakhs, 22 lakhs package, 100%, 120% hikes also we have seen to our students, team. So market is very good, and the reason behind that also I told you why Oracle Fusion became very popular. Today Oracle is having more than 17,000 plus customers, 17,000 plus companies across the world using Oracle Fusion application. It's a global giant. It's not concentrated only to US market. Workday, if you take an example team, Workday concentrated only to the US segment as of now. It's slowly moving to other countries, but Oracle is already in all the countries across the globe. You take US, you take Canada, Australia, India, or Middle East countries, you take entire Middle East now occupied by Oracle technologies by every company. Or you take European countries like UK, Finland, Germany, right? And in India also, in our Hyderabad, very well-known pharmaceutical companies like Arabindo Pharma, Hetero Pharma, these all using Oracle Fusion technologies. And our well-known banks that which we see in our day-to-day life, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, RBL Bank, these all using Oracle Fusion application, right? The kind of penetration Oracle products deeply went into the market is from US to India, anywhere, any company you touch. Today, Oracle Fusion applications are being used mostly. So, the demand for the consultants working in this technology is also equally high team. This is about fusion evaluation path and the reality you have to know. Then team, as I told you, now we are learning about Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications. But under Oracle Fusion banner, Oracle offering multiple products team. If you see Oracle Fusion applications product portfolio, we are learning about this one, Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. Some of you will have this question also in mind team. Kumar, do we have to learn only one tool in Oracle Fusion and we can start our career, or we have to learn two or three tools like HCM, financial, supply chain, all we have to learn? No, anyone will work in any one technology only. So we are learning about Oracle HCM. You will work in this technology for next 10-15 years team. You no need to move to financials or supply chain. But under Oracle Fusion applications, different products Oracle offering. For finance related activities, Oracle Fusion Financials we have. Then Oracle Fusion Supply Chain Management we have, SCM. Then Oracle Fusion CRM for sales, customer relationship management. Oracle Fusion Procurement, Oracle Fusion PPM, Project Portfolio Management. For different business areas, different products we have in the market team. So among all the products, Oracle HCM became very popular in the Fusion applications team because in order to learn Fusion HCM, as I told you, you no need to have any domain HR knowledge. You don't need to have any prerequisites or any languages or anything. But financials or supply chain, if you have to learn team, you require some domain specific knowledge. It is not understandable to everyone straight away. But HR or HCM, it's handled by everyone easily. And market, if you see also, Oracle is having good market in HCM business area. The reason is PeopleSoft team. Once upon a time, PeopleSoft is a market leader in HRMS area. Now all these customers been migrating to Fusion HCM. That is why Oracle HCM became very popular in the entire Fusion applications team. That is why I strongly insist the students from any background to learn the tool very easily and also with a very high demand, with a high package, go with HCM, I will tell. Okay. Then team, after this just overview of product families, let me talk about types of companies involved. Even this slide, many of you might already aware of this, but for the freshers in the call or non-IT people in the call, let me tell you this briefly and I will move to the next topic team. See, typically in any software application usage, we have three types of companies involved. One is service provider company, one is client or the customer, and one is consulting company. Service provider means company who selling the product in the market. Our Oracle Fusion applications are owned by whom? Oracle Corporation. Oracle is the owner. So this is the service provider company. Then comes in client or customer. From last 50 minutes, I used the word client, customer many times. Or probably when you discussing with your friends or colleagues or your family members who working in IT industry, frequently you might be hearing the word, hey, my client is very tough client. We will be working very hard in that project. Or our client is very understanding. We are very free in our project. Something like that. The word client, you will be frequently listening to him. What do you mean by client or customer in IT industry? Client or customer means company who purchasing the product in order to use in their day-to-day business. For example, you take Reliance Industries. We all know an Indian MNC Reliance team. So today, Reliance Industries decided to buy Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications because they want to use in their day-to-day HR activities team. So what Reliance will do? Reliance is a client or customer, company who purchasing the product from Oracle and using in their day-to-day life. What Reliance will do? Reliance will reach to Oracle. They will give the requirement and they will buy the product from Oracle. Till here, okay. Client went to service provider, they bought the product from them. But Reliance want someone to help in order to configure the application according to their requirement. See, whenever you go to a mobile shop and you bought a new iPhone today, you will get a phone with all the seeded functionalities, features and all. You have to configure your phone, right? Configure means what? Whatever the applications you needed, you will install it. You will register with your email ID. You will synchronize your contacts, your emails, your photos, your notes. What else? Everything. It's a self configurable thing. Mobiles, laptops, TVs, anything for installation and all we can do by ourselves. But software applications cannot be self installed or self-usable team. So Reliance or the client or the customer, in our case example Reliance I am taking, they require some one support to configure the system with their data in order to use in their day-to-day life. Then the role of consulting companies will come into the picture. Consulting companies means companies who implementing the product according to the client requirement. The so-called IT software companies in the market, Deloitte, Techem, Cognizant, Capgemini, anything, the so-called IT companies team. So what the client Reliance will do here, Reliance will reach to the consulting company. For example, Reliance reached to Deloitte. Hey, we bought the product from Oracle. We want you to implement the application according to our requirement. They give the project to Deloitte team. Then Deloitte will implement the application according to their requirement. Then they can start using in their day-to-day life. Once you learn this course, where you will work, in these software companies in the market as Oracle Fusion HCM consultants. Once your company gets the project from the client company, you will be deployed for that client project and you people have to work on that. So this is what the thing happen in your life in the coming days. In IT industry, the relationship of client, customer, service provider, consulting company is a basic knowledge every one of us should have, team. That is why I'm telling to you. So anytime you heard the word client, who is client, what your friend will do in that company, you will understand now, right? So this is about the types of companies involved with team. Now let me talk about Fusion application environment releases. Okay, this is very important topic, team. from interview point of view, you can consider it, or the one who choosing this as a career, the one who going to learn this technology, having this knowledge is very important team. Okay, what is this Oracle Fusion environment release? See, in the year 2011, I told you Oracle introduced the Fusion application in the market, right, team? So, one second. Okay. And one thing, team, still our team sharing the Google form link in the chat button. So whoever not yet filled the Google form, please fill that Google form, team. Okay. So in the year 2011, when Oracle introduced the Fusion application, they came up with a version called R1. R1. See, like every other software team, you are using your mobile today. In your mobile also, you have the software. If it is iPhone, you have iOS, Android. Or if it is a laptop, Windows laptop means you are seeing, right? From Windows 7 to Windows 8, Windows 8 to Windows 9, Windows 9 to Windows 10. The softwares will upgrade. Even our iOS also from 9.1 to 10.2, 10.2 to 11.2, now 17 or 18 something going on. Over the time, software upgrades the products will have. Same way, team, our Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications also will have the release upgrades. In the year 2011, when Oracle introduced the Fusion applications team, they came up with a version called R1. And then since it got evolved, now the latest version of the Fusion applications is R13 team. Okay. When Oracle introduced the Fusion application, the versioning name was R1. Since then it got evolved. Now we are in 2026 team. The latest version of the Fusion application is R13. Actually, by 2017 end and early 2018 only, the Fusion application version reached to R13. R13 Oracle made as a static sequence number for Fusion application. So during R1 to R10, during this release, whoever the clients purchased the Fusion application team, Oracle provided the application both in on-premises and cloud models. But from R11 onwards, whoever the company is buying the Fusion application, completely on a cloud-based model only, Oracle offering the application team. Okay. Oracle stopped on-premises model. On-premise model is a old traditional model. Whenever clients used to buy the product from Oracle, along with the application, they used to buy the server from Oracle. They used to install that server in their office premises. They used to install the application in that server. Then they used to have their own DBA team, network engineer, system engineer, security specialist, everything. But cloud is something different. Cloud-based means a software that is hosted over the internet. You no need to have any server installed in your office premise, nothing. Just the application will come in the form of this URL team. Just this URL. Okay. If you copy paste the URL in your browser, now it is loading. Okay. And then it is prompting you for a sign in screen. See, Oracle Cloud. Then we have to provide our username and password. How we log in into our Instagram, LinkedIn, Facebook, or Google, Gmail. Same way. Just pass the URL in your browser, give your user ID, password, and click on next button. Now you can able to log in into the Fusion system team. See now my screen is loading. I got landed into Oracle Fusion application. Let me click on home button. So this is about team Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications look and feel. This is what our Fusion application is about. Now, did I install this software in my laptop? Did I run any program in my laptop? Nothing. So Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. The technology name is what? Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud. So it's a completely cloud-based software. You no need to install the application in your laptop or PC. You can sit anywhere in the world with a proper internet connection, with a basic laptop, you can able to work on the Fusion application team. So this is just for your reference. I logged in and I'm showing to you. So during R1 to R10, during these releases, both on-premise and cloud models Oracle offered. But from release 11 onwards, Oracle stopped on-premise completely on a cloud-based technology. Now the Fusion applications are operated team. And R13, they made it as a static. But you have to know one thing importantly. Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy team. This is the most important thing. Many people will not tell in any of the trainings. Quarterly upgradation policy Oracle will follow for their applications. Okay. Quarterly upgradation policy. Okay. So don't worry team, as I told today, slightly we will extend the session because we have to cover the maximum topics. But from tomorrow, strictly it will be 7 to 8. So Oracle follow quarterly upgradation policy for their application. Means what? Every year we have 12 months. Quarter means what team? In the financial terminology, every 3 months is a quarter. Okay. So Jan to March is one quarter in the year. Then April to June is one quarter. Okay. Then July to September is one quarter. Then October to December is one quarter. So we have 4 quarters in the year, three months. Okay. So every year team, 4 times Oracle will upgrade their application. Means what, Kumar? See, Oracle, in order to give more proficient experience to their customers, more quality experience to their customers, Oracle investing a lot in their research and development. So every 3 months, Oracle will provide an upgradation to their application. Phenomenal changes will not be there. The basic cosmetic level enhancements in every module, some basic new features Oracle brings in the system. Any bugs are there in the previous releases, the fix Oracle will give. Right team? So every year, 4 times Oracle give upgrade team. And they named each quarter as alphabet A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Oracle named each quarter as A, B, C, D team. Now, what is the latest version as of today? We will see in the system. So generally, if you go to the application, if you want to see the latest version of the application, you can come to the right side settings and action button here team. Settings and action. Then here you have about this application. If you go, you can see. So what is the latest version of the application team? Something coming 26B, some 11.13. Kumar, you told R13. No, yes, everywhere see application development framework REL 13, middleware extension REL 13, database compatibility REL. So the Fusion application latest version as of today is release 13.26B. 26B. 26 stands for the financial year we are in 2026. B means we are in second quarterly upgrade of this year. We are in which month team? We are in April month. April means what? That comes in this quarter, no? So 26B, the latest upgrade that we got. Last 3 months, the upgrade was 26A. Then team, in July month, we will get the upgrade as 26D. See, 26D then. So every year, the upgrade versions Oracle will have like this team. 26A, Now we are in 26B. Then in July month, it will upgrade to 26C, then 26D. Next year team, 27A, 27B, 27C, 27D. So the versioning will happen like this team. Every year, 4 quarters, no. For every quarter, the versioning sequence will go like this. R1326B is the latest version of our Fusion application. So what is this 11.13.26.04? 11 means the year which Oracle introduced the Fusion application, 2011. 13 means release 13, R13. 26 means 2026, the year we are in. Then 4 means we are in which quarterly upgrade now? 26B, second quarter in the year. In the second quarter, first month is what? April. April means what? Number 4, 04. 0 is common thing. Next quarterly upgrade, if anyone want, can take a screenshot. In the July month, we will get 26C release. Then the version will go to R1326C 11.13.26.07. July in the third quarter, July month is what? 7th. The first month number, this is team. So by the time training complete, you will be upgrading to July. So, 26C, here you will get team. So every year, 4 times Oracle will upgrade the application team. So every time, basic new enhancements you will be getting in the system. So in the projects, whenever you're working in real time, we have to do certain activities during this quarterly upgradation team. When you attending the interview, it's a 5-star marked real-time scenario question you can experience. Acha, tell me, in the project, whenever quarterly upgradation happen, what you people will do? It's a very basic process-oriented question. What work you will do during the quarterly upgradation? We have certain activities to perform team, like pre-upgrade testings, post-upgrade testings, and we call it as regression testings, impact analysis checks, that all. That I will tell you. We have separate sessions as part of placement, real-time project implementation, like types of projects I'm going to take the session team. In that, implementation project means what, support project means what, testing means what, then what will be the team size, who will be the project manager in your project, how you will interact with the client every day, how the meetings will be scheduled with client, and what are the different phases in the project we have team. So generally implementation project, if you see, from project management plan, kickoff meeting, as is study, to be study, CRP1, CRP2, solution designing phase, then KUT, UAT, till go live, and hypercare support. We have different phases team. Real time, if you work in the company, how you will implement the project, that experience with this session I'm going to give you. So in each phase, what real-time documents, RD50 means what, BP80 means what, or solution design MD50 means what, or test scripts TE40 means what, BR100 means what, core configuration workbook. I'll give you the real-time samples to get experience how the real-time project happen. So this training is not just a theory, it's much beyond that. Along with the training, you will be getting hands-on experience of full life cycle of project implementation. You are not doing any project here, right? You might fill your gap with some experience showing something and you are dropping the resume. So you can even explain better in the interview, though you haven't worked in real time. If a real time person who works in this technology for 4 to 5 years, what level of knowledge that they will get in the subject, we will be taking you to that extent team. So these all will not be covered in general trainings. So this program also I designed for 3 months of end-to-end intensive curriculum. Generally 45 days or 2 months, you will be getting the program. But 3 months to 3.5 months it will take to complete the program in Triotech. Why means beyond the subject, From the point of placement, what is needed? Curriculum has been crafted accordingly. So during this time, I'm going to explain you team. In the support project, okay, what activities you do, how the tickets will come and all. During this time, I'm going to explain you team what activity that you people will do in every quarterly upgrade. When Oracle upgrading their application, what you will do. So that is too early to understand now. We will keep it for future discussion. So Fusion environment releases this one team. Now, let me talk about one more important concept that we have to know, that is Oracle Fusion HCM modules that we have team. Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud applications, okay, modules. Many people will have this doubt. Kumar, in this technology, what modules we have? Let us talk about them, team. What modules you have in Oracle Fusion HCM Cloud? And what comes under technical and what comes under functional? First of all, team, we have the modules like this in this course. We have the module like core HR or global HR team. Then we have absence management. Then we have payroll management. Then we have talent management. In talent management only, we have profiles. Then we have a talent review, goal management, performance management, uh, then succession management, like that, submodules. Then we have compensation and benefits module. These are two modules, but we call them together generally. Then we have OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. Then we have OTL, Oracle Time and Labor. Then we have ORC, Oracle Recruiting Cloud. And then we have team some advanced modules like HCM, Communicate, Help Desk. Okay, like these advanced modules team. Generally, no one will use them, but we have them in the system. Okay. Then, other than these modules, we also have the concepts like this. A part of these modules team, we have something like security administration. Okay. Then we have workflows and approvals. Then we have customizations and personalizations. Okay. Customizations and personalization. And we are particular tools team. We have Sandbox, then we have HCM Design Studio, Page Composer, a couple of things we have. If it is a Redwood, then we have also Visual Builder Cloud Studio, Okay. Then we have team something like inbound integrations. Here we have HDL, HCM data loader, then spreadsheet data loader, two data loading tools we have. Then we have outbound integrations. Here we have the reporting tools, BI reports, OTBI reports, HCM extracts, like that. And then we have the most important concept, fast formulas. Okay. Nothing I left out. Huh? In the entire HCM application, these are the total concepts we have. Now, what comes under functional? What comes under technical? These all modules comes under functional team. These aspects will come under technical. Simple. Functional, technical. Our entire application categorized into two. All modules in the system will come under functional. These things will come under technical. But if you ask me personally, security, workflows, customization and personalization, These three also, I will tell they are part of functional only. But many training institutes in the market today offering these three concepts under technical. So I have to also go along with the flow of market. So I also segregated them into technical. But these things are also actually functional only team, if you ask me personally. Because in Oracle e-business suite, technical intervention is very high. In a project without a technical consultant, functional person cannot work on. But Oracle Fusion application is plug and play kind of software. Technicality has been deteriorated. The core technical concepts are these two only: inbound integrations and outbound integration team. Core technical concept. Rest of them are functional. But if you see as per the curriculum wise differentiation, these comes under functional, these comes under technical team. So in core HR module, generally we configure all our client organizations, work structures, entire employee management will handle here in core HR module. Then all the leave management will handle in absence management. Then salary processing of the employee, everything will handle in payroll management team. Then performance appraisals, everything will handle in talent management. Then a part of salary, if you want to pay any bonus, overtime, any stocks or shares allocation, compensation module we have. Then any insurance plans employee enrolled with, their health insurances, anything, benefits module we have to handle. Then OLC, Oracle Learning Cloud. So generally, every company today, if you see, in order to conduct any trainings to their employee, they are opting for video courses and they will ask the employees to go through them. They will conduct the exam, release the certification. It's a student management module team internally to their employees. If company want to conduct any trainings, OLC module will be helpful to them. Then, in order to capture employee attendance team, punch in, punch out, biometric, for that OTL module is there. For all the recruitment purpose, Oracle Recruiting Cloud we have. An internal ticketing tool, if you want to set up a communication between all the employees team, then we have HCM Communicate and Help Desk modules. Like that, we have different modules in the system which will serve the respective area. Security, we have where we will handle the entire user account creations, access management in the system for the employees and all team. Then we have workflows and approvals, one module. Among all these things, any transactions being performed, if company or a client want to trigger it for an approval, for example, in absence module team, client telling Kumar, whenever an employee apply the leave, it should go to his manager approval. That all approval management we will handle in this module team. Then customization and personalization. So this is what the Fusion application is about. So client telling Kumar, I want to customize this background wallpaper. This should come in white background, or this message I want to rename, or these tiles I want to rename, or these icons I want to use some other pictures, something. Any screen in the Fusion system, if you want to customize, then we have the concept called customization and personalization team. Then we have inbound integration. Any data, if you want to bulk upload into the Fusion system, Oracle given HDL and spreadsheet data loaders to bulk data uploading tools. Then any data from Fusion system, if client want to extract, Oracle given three reporting tools: BI reports, OTBI reports, HCM extracts, like that team. Then fast formula in absence module, payroll module, compensation module, several logics to write, several calculations to maintain. Fast formula we have. So these are the total concepts we have in HCM Cloud Applications team. Now, what we are going to cover as part of this training program? This is going to be a techno-functional training. This is going to be a techno-functional HCM training because team, if you ask me till today, the roles that being recruited in the market, if you ask me, Companies clearly recruiting functional consultants separately, technical consultants separately, and the most demanded techno-functional consultants team. Okay. If you ask me, in a project, if you have 10 employees working, 7 to 8 resources will be functional consultants team. 2 to 3 resources will be technical. In Fusion system, technical resource size will be this one. If anyone tell you, learn only technical so that only 2 concepts, 2 modules you can learn and you can drop the profile, absolutely you are going to lose the game. Only technical role will not helpful to you today. Those days are gone because companies today mostly looking, even only functional consultant, if you plan learning only functional modules and if you drop the resume also, I don't suggest. Because team, as I told you, in Fusion application, technical involvement has been reduced. Even functional consultant today can handle the technical work. Simple team, rather than taking 2 people into the project, 1 person with both knowledge will be a cost advantage to the company. Am I right or wrong? That is the reason today market mostly recruiting techno-functional consultant. For example, team, your friend dropped the resume in the Naukri as a techno-functional experience consultant. You dropped just as functional or just as technical. First, your friend will get call. After that, only you will get the call. So I also earlier used to conduct functional separate, technical separate. But as per the trends, because every month I'll be reaching out, I mean, many HRs from the companies will be reaching out to me to get the trained resources from me. So when I discuss with them, and also I'll interact with the students, particularly who sitting in the office in Hyderabad along with me. Every day, few people will come for practice. Even you also can plan your schedule. I'll frequently discuss with them, like how the trends in the market, do we have good calls in this week or not? During that time, the feedback I received from the HRs or from my students also, techno-functional profiles are keenly recruiting in the market team. That is why our program also we customized into techno-functional. From 2 months, we have extended the program to 3 months to 3.5 months. Both courses in one platform you are going to get. So functional and technical, both will be covered. Now, Kumar, everything we have to learn? No. No one in the market will work on all the modules of HCM team. We generally cover these modules as part of our training. Core HR, absence, payroll, talent, compensation. Benefits we are not covering. Compensation also we will provide some external videos to you, and including that these 5 modules will cover from functional. From technical side, these all will cover. Okay. OLC, OTL, ORC. These modules we are not going to cover in this program because by this time only it's a very tight timeline. I'm spending more time than the other institutes in the market to provide high number of skills to the candidates team. So already it will be tight timeline. Within this 3 months or 3.5 months, we cannot expand to this module. And moreover, in the market also, no one will have knowledge on all the aspects team. At least 3 or 4 modules from functional, 3 or 4 modules from technical, you have to learn. What we have to keep in the resume and all, I'm going to take some placement workshop sessions to you. During that time, how to prepare the resume. Fresher means how to prepare. Experience means how to prepare. How to put the experience, if any gap filling you are doing, what projects to keep in, what modules, what roles and responsibility to keep in. That all sessions I'm going to conduct. During that time, I will tell you. But as part of this training program team, you will be covered with these modules from functional and technical. And this is going to be a comprehensive techno-functional training on HCM with a span of 3 months duration. and you also seriously take up techno-functional consultant experience only to the resume. Whenever you're dropping the resume, mention you are a techno-functional knowledgeable person in this technology. Okay. So this is about team modules we have in the system. Now, before getting into, I'm going to wind up the session in the next 5 minutes or 10 minutes. Before getting into the course details, what will be the timings every day, what is the fee for this program and all, let me walk through some of the uh, informative things that you require team. Many people having a concern that, again, Kumar, someone telling me to learn Microsoft Dynamics, someone telling me to learn SAP or Workday or Salesforce or SA or other ERP. Why we have to learn Oracle? This is what the current market trends that you have to see in. This is not something that I prepared from my personal choice. Anyone go to the internet. Every one of us have. Right now you check it, team. Okay. As per the Gartner Quadrant Research Report, Gartner is a company based out in US. This is a consulting firm for the IT applications. For example, today you want to buy a new IT application to use in your company. You can reach to Gartner and you can get the details. They will suggest you which technology is suitable in the market and which is good. That business Gartner will do for big corporates team. So as per the Gartner research report, every year they will release the report. Who are the top players in the market? As per that Gartner Quadrant research report, consecutively from last 3 years, Oracle Fusion stood in the top. In the leaders list, you can see Oracle Fusion Cloud ERP. After that, only Microsoft Dynamics or SAP or Epicor, Infor, whatever the ERP applications, SAP and all team. So today, Oracle Fusion applications are the top leaders in the ERP area. When you choosing a career, choosing a technology with high demand, high customer usage, high customer acceptance rate will land you up in a good company with a good package team. If more companies using Oracle Fusion, obviously more opportunities you will have. More companies will recruit the candidates. So the openings will be very high. That is what the difference between why not SAP, why Oracle today. And also, if you see the average salary packages to the candidates team, anywhere you inquire, you go to Naukri, open that Naukri and you search with the keyword of Oracle HCM, you can able to check these figures. A fresher, an average package of 3 LPA to 6 LPA companies offering. Even today, one of our students from the February batch, she got placed in Winfo Solution with a package of 3.6 LPA as a fresher. So we also have good packages for freshers offered. And many people will have this common myth in mind. If we come out of the college, we don't have any calls. Yes, freshers will be having bit difficult thing in the market today. But no call at all means I won't agree. Compared to experienced, you might get less calls. But in this Oracle HCM Cloud, freshers are also being recruited. Okay, because personally I can tell you from Triotech in the last 6 months, we have very good placements for freshers we have seen. Companies like Apps Associate, DriveStream, BTrians, okay, Sunera Tech, and also Apps Associate, Clover Infotech. These all companies recruited candidates who are freshers. But fresher means not a just college passed out, trained fresher. Even when we partnered with this college of VVIT University as well, these students, when they are sitting for the placement, the company requirement is what? We just don't hire freshers. We want trained freshers. That is the reason college has been collaborated with us We offered the training program to them and then they recruited. You know the package what they offered from this college for fresher? 11 lakhs. LTA Mindtree got offered. But every company offering that level of packages means I'm not telling that. But if you are really skillful, if you have a bag of skills in your resume, definitely companies are ready to recruit you. No one will knock your door and give you the job or opportunity team. You have to go and you have to grab the opportunity. Where the calls are getting scheduled, which companies are recruiting. You have to hunt. Parallelly, as an institute from my side, I'll try my best to schedule the interviews by giving the job postings and all because every month HRs will be reaching out. Because I can tell you proudly, since 11 years happened in my career in this training, many of my student alumni working in very big roles in many companies in this technology. Every time they will be coming out to me, Kumar sir, we want the candidates from institute. So do we have any trained freshers or people with 3 to 4 years of experiences in this domain, or even non-IT people who are very good and who are aspiring to prove themselves? We are good to recruit them. So from our side also, every month we will be posting the job requirements, but parallelly, equally, you should also reach out in all the job portals. For that, I let you know how to prepare the Naukri account, how to prepare the LinkedIn account, how to upload the resume, how to reach out to the HRs in LinkedIn. That all we will be training you in our placement workshops team. And experienced people with 4 to 5 years, average packages of 15 to 25 LPA companies are offering. Then experienced with more than 5 to 10 years team, 25 to 50 LPA. Yes, we are very proudly announce in this domain, in this domain, companies offering that sort of packages. If any friends, family members or colleagues in your family there, you can go and check out in ERP applications how the salaries are there. It's not something you need to trust Kumar. You do your own research. You go to Naukri, you check with the keyword of Oracle Fusion and check it out the package ranges they're offering for 5 to 10 years people. And from our institute also, we can say proudly, people got these packages, 30 LPA, 35 LPA. So they are not into HCM experience. They came from different experience, but overall they have 5 to 10. Relevant 3 4 years they used to mention and they used to crack that. And then team, if you see the career progress down the line, next 15 20 years, one best thing with this applications team, we have a very long career graph in this domain. Unlike DevOps, AWS, Azure, or any other technologies team, frequently you have to upgrade yourself or else you will be outdated. If you learn DevOps team, I'm not pointing out a particular tool. Any technology in the market you take here other than ERP applications, every year some new tools will come into the picture. AI impact will be there, or you have to upgrade yourself or you will be outdated. That is a common myth people will have in IT industry. But in ERP application, you will have a very long shelf life. Today you are learning and entering into a company, next 15 20 years in the market without any problem. You no need to switch to any other company because e-business suite from last 35 years is there in the market. PeopleSoft is there from last 30 years. SAP is there from last 40 years. Same like that Oracle Fusion also team. These are very long shelf life application. So your career will start as an entry level, as an associate, as a fresher, then to consultant, senior consultant, principal consultant, project manager, delivery lead, delivery manager, IT directors, and so on. If you can prove yourself, you can go to the much more bigger heights. People today in any software company you take, people from ERP backgrounds will be in the top management. Who deciding the company's future will be from ERP backgrounds. I'm not telling everyone will reach to that height. Exceptions are everywhere, but that 1% among every one of us can reach to that, because this technology will have that career progress team. Many technologies, you will end up your career as a principal consultant or maximum project manager. technical lead. But in ERP application, you can extend, go to director level of the company also. So this will be the career opportunity in this domain. And then team, recession impact, if you have anything in this domain, Kumar, absolutely no. Because these are the applications companies will use in their day-to-day life. Without ERP application, they can't run the company. They can't run the show. So any recession might impact the world. People who working in ERP applications are the much stable jobs people are into. We have never seen any recession impact. Even today, you might be hearing many layoffs happening. Cognizant laid off thousands of people, or Oracle itself laid off thousands of people. They are laying off in their internal company in development roles, not in the consulting roles team. Anywhere have you heard Oracle Fusion jobs are being removed? No. And most prominently team, many people have this question. Kumar, is AI replacing our jobs? Okay. Okay. Is AI going to have any impact? Because everywhere today the buzzword AI, AI, AI. Correct? From a student, a fresher from a college to a top management role person, or any politician you see, any businessman, any news channel we open every day, layoffs are happening, AI coming. That is what a common thing everywhere thing. But we can tell you one thing. Already we are using AI services in our Oracle HCM Cloud. The best thing with Oracle technology is we are not going to get impact with this AI because AI we are using for the betterment of the application, for the easiest way of using the application, but not as a configuration agent for the application team. Without a human involvement, without a human configuration, without a human solutioning, we don't have any AI to configure the system. So that one advantage we have team, because these are consulting jobs. We are not in the back end. We are not in the development where we have to write the code. We have to write the logic. People working in those roles are getting impacted with AI, but not people who are in the front end, who are in the consulting roles team. So definitely AI will be a betterment for our usage of Fusion applications only, and it's not going to have any replacement of human in this Oracle HCM consulting jobs. Already we are using from last 2 3 years, even in our technology, in our course also, I mentioned, right? Oracle HCM Cloud Redwood plus AI. So what is AI? What we are using in this? That all we are going to cover in the coming classes team. And then coming to the course features. Okay. From tomorrow, we are going to start with our regular classes team. Today is a demo. Sorry everyone for keeping you wait. From tomorrow, every day, Monday to Friday, 7 to 8 p.m. our timings will be. And the duration will be 90 plus hours of training. 3 months training it will be. Starting from tomorrow, it is going to start team. Along with the training, you will be getting lifetime access to the videos. Even now, the class is recording team. Every day, class will get recorded and it will be shared to you. So today, after the session, already many people confirmed the registrations. You will be getting the emails by tonight or tomorrow team. You will be getting access to the learning portal. So here, once you click on live classes login, you can able to provide your user ID and password and log into the dashboard here team. So that if you come to enrolled courses, your courses will be shown here. If you go to the course, all the daily sessions will upload here. Just click on it. The session will play here team. So every day sessions will get uploaded into the portal. Every day sessions will upload it into the portal team. So this portal, once we given you your account and password, you can able to reset and you can keep it for your lifetime. If anyone missing the session because of travel, office works or anything, you will have the backup of every class team. For lifetime, you are going to have the recordings with you. And along with that, you will be getting 6 months of Oracle server access for practicing the application. What is that? 6 months of server access, the Fusion application access for practicing the application you will be getting. And you will be getting live projects for every module. As I told you, this is not a theoretical training. It's going to be a real-time experience to you. Once you complete the training, one full life cycle of project implementation experience you are going to get. For every module, real-time projects you will get, team. And also our custom material drive folder. So this drive folder access also you will get. Every module, for example, core HR, absence, payroll, compensation, fast formula, then sample resumes, then interview questions. This drive folder access also you will get, team. Here you can find all the materials. If you come to core HR team, our custom material, if I come here, it's a 130-page document, team. Every class, even this 2 hours what we discussed also will be there in this document, team. A very easy understandable English language material that which we prepared with screenshots and navigations. If you don't have the time to attend a class, by looking at the PDF also you can implement the module, team. It's a manual which we prepared customly, nowhere you can find. So for every module, this materials will be given to you for practice purpose, and also PPTs will be given to you, and also assignments will be given to you, team. The real-time project assignments will be given to you. For example, this is absence module. From the real-time projects, exactly the requirement I will give it to you, and I will ask you to configure and deploy it in the system, test it out and show me the result. So every module assignments also will be given to you, team. And as I told you, from the point of placements, we'll be hand-holding you, team. We have our placement team sitting in the Hyderabad office. We have our HRs who will be constantly be in touch with the companies for the openings and all. We will help you starting with resume preparation. I personally will take the sessions on this. How to prepare your resume. Fresher means how. Experienced means how. How to keep the projects in that. What roles and responsibilities you have to keep. And then, team, for every module, interview question and answers. Not only questions, interview question and answers we will provide. This is a huge repository, team, almost 700 to 800 question and answers for the module I personally prepared from my student experiences. Every student who attending the interviews, even for your batch also, I will tell you, whenever you attending the interviews, record every interview. From that, we prepared the repository, and we can tell proudly, team, 80%, 70 to 80% of the interview that you are going to attend will come from this repository only. 20% might be different. Out of the training knowledge you got, you can able to answer. But 70 to 80%, team. Now see, this is for absence module. Then if I come here, this is for HDL and HSDL. This is for payroll module. This is for talent module. This is for a entire technical team. And also company-wise segregation also I did. Like KPMG interview, if you're attending, what sort of questions they might ask you. Or if you're attending TCS, what sort of questions they might ask you. Then Avalon. Then we have next company, Digitalis. Then we have for the company Infosys, for Oracle. So company wise, these all from our students team. Whoever attended the interviews with these companies, what questions they have experienced in the interview, we have collected and we prepared as a material, so that the upcoming students, whenever they preparing for the interview, this is going to be a game changer for them. Rather than searching in the internet, finding out, requesting someone, just if you have these interview question and answers material with you, you can able to clear the interview very easily. And along with that team, we will also provide you the bunch of sample resumes to you, both freshers and experienced. After we conducting the workshop session on resume preparation and all, we will share the sample resumes to you. Once you prepare the draft version, you can share them with our placement team. They will help you out with the further editings or anything needed team. And every Saturday in our Hyderabad office, we will be conducting the mock interviews. People from Hyderabad, you can directly walk into office every day, sit there and practice. I will be available. Other team members, other students will be available team. So here you can find our address in the internet. Directly type Triotech in the Google, you will get the address of that. So beside Forum Mall in KPHB 9th phase in Hyderabad, our office is located. You can come down to the office, you can sit. We have a very good office team. You can practice here. Every Saturday, generally, we will conduct the mock interviews. So people can participate in that also. So in order to book that, at least a week prior, you have to schedule your slot because many students from different batches will be there. We have to accommodate the calendars accordingly. And then we will be giving you the job postings from our side, like this team. So today, after the enrollment, every one of you will be added into the new WhatsApp community. Going forward, anything that I want to communicate with you, any material I want to share with you, or any holiday announcements I want to give, or any inputs related to the interview that I want to share with you, through that WhatsApp community only I am going to do. In that community, once you complete the program, once our placement season start, you will be given with the postings also daily team. From our side, we will share. Parallelly, you should also apply equally team. How to apply that also I'll be conducting the sessions. Starting from Naukri account creation to LinkedIn, everything I will cover. And for your doubts, every day, Monday to Friday, 10 a.m. to 6 p.m., our team will be available. Most preferably WhatsApp, because we have agents there, they will reply quickly. If not, also available team, one-to-one doubts assistance. So this is about course highlights, the program that you are going to attend for the next 3 months team. So starting from tomorrow, our sessions will start. So coming to the placement report, if for your reference purpose team, you can go to our Instagram profile or YouTube profile, and even you can check out team. So we will be frequently updating our placement success stories of the students also. So you can see here Anuradha, Manoj. Okay. Then we have the student success stories like Sirisha, right? Akshita. You can see the placement success stories directly here, team. And even from the placement 2026 placements or all the placements till now, what we have done, you can see. So if you come here, you can see all our student success stories, almost 124 weeks back, 3-4 years back stories is all are. So everything we will post openly in the community from the student messages team. And you can see the live testimonials of the students also in the Instagram profile or YouTube profile. So this is just for your reference purpose team. Okay. And even you can walk through our YouTube channel or Instagram channel for all the placement success stories in this domain team. And these are the few placement success stories for your reference purpose. I'm showing it to you. So these are our students who got placed in different MNCs in Cognizant, Accenture, Valueverse, Deloitte, PwC, and some of them you can see it in their WhatsApp messages team with a gratitude which they have replied back to me to share their happy note that they got selected in a company. So we have even published that in our social media. So you can see the March and April month reports here team. So whoever the students got placed. And we can say proudly team, in the last couple of months, more than 50 plus offers we have been seen from different candidates. I'm not telling only experienced people. Here we have freshers, we have experienced people, we have non-IT or into IT now switching their career. We have more than 50 plus profiles from last 2-3 months that which we have seen in Triotech. So hopefully the count will double in the next couple of months, team. So this is about our placement report and the placement proofs. So we can say, rather, we can claim that we are the only institute which we can able to share the direct student success stories as well in our demo. And you can see some of the student feedbacks. You can directly Google it. You can find out our Google reviews as well, which all my students from different batches given their feedbacks on the training program. And some of our students who got placed in the recent companies, you can check it out here, team. And coming to the course fee and the offer for today. Okay. The actual course fee will be 28,000 plus GST, but the early bird offer, generally for a batch I will give on day one or before to the demo who enrolled. Many people already enrolled with this. So whoever yet to enroll, please confirm your registration, team. Only for tonight, today, we are giving an early bird offer of 25,999, team. In that, you will be getting some additional benefits also. What are they? Generally, you will be getting 6 months of Oracle server access for practicing. But people enrolling with this early bird registration in this offer price, spot enrollments, you will be getting 3 months additional server. Your total server access will be summed up to 9 months. And that server access worth 3 months will be costing you 12,000 rupees, team. Any institute you go and if you ask for a server, first of all, they won't provide you only server. If any black market, if you try also, per month, at least 4,000 to 3,000, they will charge, team. So 3 months additional server access worth 12,000, you will be getting additionally in this early bird registration. And we also provide private server access. The best part with Triotech is along with the demo instance, we also provide private server, non-refreshable servers also we will provide, team, where you can implement the full project in that system. And also in this offer, we are also providing you Oracle certification dumps worth 5,000 free. Certification means today I supposed to cover that also, but I didn't got the time. Tomorrow I will take up this certification process and all, team. So anyone planning for a Oracle certification, dumps will be provided to you at free of cost. Means whatever the questions that will come in the exam, that will be readily available with us, team. So that dumps worth 5,000 rupees you will be getting. So people enrolling with this early bird registration, you will be getting additional benefits, a discount of 25,999 and also 17,000 total worth benefits you will be getting. A part of that, you people also will get real-time project templates for HDL. Here, there is one component called HDL, team. In this topic, we have to build our custom templates for data loading and all. The ready-made project templates, which we have used in our projects, you will be provided to you in this offer. And also real-time project templates for fast formula. The most toughest people will feel generally, but not that tough, fast formula, team. Ready-made fast formula guide. So we have a ready-made fast formula template available, team. So which we prepared for different clients. You can see here. You directly use them in your projects for different scenarios. The ready-made inbuilt developed fast formula guide, this is, team. So you will be getting this also along with this early bird registration. So already our team have dropped you the WhatsApp messages. Whoever filled the Google form in the class today, our team already submitted the WhatsApp messages to you from our business number. Please do check out, find the registration link in that and complete your registration, and please share the screenshot with the concerned admin team that you are in contact, team. Okay. The offer will be strictly valid for today only. From tomorrow, a new meeting link will be shared only to the enrolled participants. Today, after the enrollment, team, two things you have to verify from your end. After the enrollment, once you share the screenshot with our admin team, along with your registered email ID, our team will create your portal access. Every one of you will receive an email from Triotech for your learning portal. Everyday classes you can find in the portal. This access email you will get. And also WhatsApp community link you will receive, team. So whatever the new WhatsApp community that we are going to send, we are going to add you people after the registration. That link also you will be receiving after your enrollment. So please click on that link and get yourself added into the community. These two things I personally request every one of you, because sometimes our team might miss your chat. It's your duty equally. Please, after paying the fee, you inform to the admin that you have paid the fee and you have shared the screenshot with email ID so that they will release the access to you. If not today night, maximum by tomorrow first half, you will get the emails to you. Your learning portal account credentials and also WhatsApp community link to join the WhatsApp community. These two things will happen, team. And one important thing I'm going to tell you for every one of you in the call. The learning portal will be strictly monitored, team. Only for one person, one login, it will work. If we find, because we have an algorithm, if anyone try to log in with multiple devices, please inform to the admin upfront only, because we have implemented this from last 3 months to avoid the cross sellings. I'm sorry to say that some people have been selling our course offline. They are selling it in the different other channels or something. So to avoid that, we strictly follow one person, one login policy. If you're logging from a laptop, once we give you the access, that laptop only will work. Another laptop, if you are working, it will be recorded in our backend logs and system automatically will freeze your account. So I request every one of you, if you have an accommodation of one or two devices, please inform to the team upfront. After that, it will be difficult to unfreeze the account. Okay. So these are the things I want to discuss with you. So from tomorrow, the class timings will be sharp 7 to 8. Today is a demo with slightly extended team. So I request everyone, please confirm your registrations so that you will be provided with the learning portal, WhatsApp community, and also tomorrow's meeting link to attend the session. As it is a free demo, we allowed everyone. Okay? From tomorrow, you will be given with a separate Zoom link for the paid participants. Okay. Even in the Zoom chat, our team have shared the registration link to you. Please confirm the registration tonight to avail this offer, team. So even you can find this screenshot for the spot enrollment with this additional benefits. You can scan this QR and you can submit your registrations as well. Okay. Now moving on to the Q&A. Now tell me, any questions that you people have in mind? See, one thing, if any personal profile related discussion, better you discuss offline with the team. I mean to say, though the session is recording, just I'm telling you, some people will have a doubt. Umar, I have a career gap. I have to feel that. Is it possible you will support or something? These kind of things better discuss offline, team, because all people are in the call. It doesn't looks formal. So rest of the thing, anything related to the subject, the forum is open to you now. Please. Lingaraj, any question?
Hello.
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah, hello.
yeah, Kumar. Hi.
Hi.
యాక్చువల్లీ ఈ మాక్ ఇంటర్వ్యూస్ అనేవి డైరెక్ట్గా ఆఫీస్కి వచ్చే తీసుకోవాలా లేదంటే ఆన్లైన్లో కూడా ప్రొవైడ్ చేస్తారా?
Not necessarily. You can schedule it from online also. The thing is, the only thing we expect from a student is at least a prior intimation of 1 week so that we can able to accommodate. So you can attend from online also because everyone can't stay in Hyderabad. You can attend through Zoom.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, my name is Aslam.
Hi, Aslam.
Actually, I am working in Dubai as an accountant.
Accountant. Okay, great.
Yeah, but actually, I don't want any job which is I have to go any city, because if I stay away from family, then it's better to stay in Dubai, earning more money.
Okay.
But actually, I'm looking for online job. If I
Yeah,
get
remote
chance,
opportunities are also very good in this domain. Actually, I forgot to mention, particularly in Oracle ERP, not only after COVID, prior COVID also, remote opportunities are there because these are consulting jobs. Anywhere you can sit and you can access the application. You don't need to connect from a Oracle,
uh,
office server or something like that.
I have a doubt whether see, without working experience in this software ERP,
Hmm.
uh,
Hmm.
uh, it is possible to be a consultant.
See, knowledge point of view, as I mentioned, after this training, if a person with real-time knowledge of 4 5 years of experience, what knowledge he will have, I will try to take you to that extent. But when you planning to drop your resume, obviously, if you have another experience in your profile, try to manipulate that and showcase Oracle HCM experience into that, and you have to apply that. How to do and all you discuss with the placement officer, they will guide you, no problem.
As a consultant, I will work for a consultant company. Not, I cannot take direct talk
Um,
to client.
yes, in whatever the company you currently doing, that experience only you have to update into Oracle Fusion, I'm telling.
No,
That's what that you discuss offline, I'm sorry, that is specific to your
no, no,
experience
no,
with
no. This is just clear. This is for everyone. If not possible to be consultant, then what is other plan B?
what.
Because
No, I didn't get your
to be
question.
consultant, you need more deep understanding and
That is what
practice.
the training we are providing for 3 months now. That is what I'm telling you. You will get the deep understanding to the subject.
Okay. Rest of the part, if I'm not able to be consultant, then what other job will get?
End user. Every
And
company, end user also will be there. Now we are working
yes,
as an accountant in some company. So every day you
yes,
will
yes,
use some ERP application, correct, in your company?
yes, yes, yes.
Same role. In HCM, you will work.
Okay.
No problem. Yeah. Next question, Nitish,
Hello.
please.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, hi,
Hi,
Nitish.
hi Kumar. Good evening.
Good evening, Nitish. Yeah.
Kumar, do we have any age gap for this, Kumar?
Generally, no, because in IT, we don't have any age criteria. Even people with 45 years, 50 years also will move into this domain because these are consulting jobs generally. Age is not a criteria. Yeah, Varghese or Arun?
So this is one point I wanted to ask you. And the other question what I have in mind, Kumar, is like,
Mm.
if I have a career gap of 5 years. So
Mm.
previously I was into US healthcare. So due to some
Okay.
financial and other stuff in my family, I need to move
Mm.
to take the family business. So I moved into there. So now I want to move to professional. So I thought this zero coding HCMR it will be a good
You
choice
can
for me.
learn. See, after a long career, taking a break of 1 year, 2 years, or 3 years, many people will do in the market. And even companies are also known about that one. But when you rejoining, don't rejoin it without any skill having in your resume. If you learn something, you either you learn Oracle HCM here with me or not, okay. But you plan it
Okay.
accordingly. Learn something, bag your resume with that skill set, and then you apply. Definitely companies will consider your profile.
Thanks.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, hello.
Hello.
Thanks.
Thank you, Nidesh. Yeah, yeah. Some person made it.
Hello.
Yeah, hello. Who is
Can you
that?
hear me, sir?
Yeah, Shripriya, I can hear you. Yeah.
Sir, what is the total amount of the fee, sir?
Hello.
That you can click on the link that will take you through. You discuss with the admin. Admin, please, can you please drop her a message?
Okay.
Yeah.
Right, Kumar.
Yeah.
Kumar, can you hear
Second
me?
of May is possible to pay half of the amount of the fees?
Discuss it offline with the admin. Okay.
Okay.
No problem.
Hello,
Bhavishan,
Kumar. Mahesh here.
subject will discuss. No problem.
Hello.
Anvesha.
Hello.
Yeah,
Yeah,
Anvesh.
yeah, sir. Yeah, sir. Is there any for Oracle HCM consultant position? Is there any documents required? For example, finance field is lot of documents need to work on finance consultant. As a HCM consultant, is there any documentation part?
We have project related documents, Anvesh. Something like when you are in the implementation project, as I told you, these documents we'll be working on. for our internal implementation of the project, but not into HR documents, something you have to figure it out, like policies, drafting and all. These you won't involve. These documents are something which will come internally in your project, like requirement gathering document from the client, solution designing from the client, then BR100. These documents you will be working on.
Okay, okay, sure.
Yeah.
Hi, Kumar.
Hello,
And
Kumar.
Hi, Kumar.
You
Yeah,
wanted to
Mahesh
Hello.
here.
Yeah, hi, Kumar.
Hello.
Samiksha here.
Hi.
I'll
Hi,
Hi.
come to
I just wanted
Samiksha.
to ask,
Rohit, I'll
yeah,
come to you. 1 minute. Samiksha, please.
I am currently working in IT. I have 1.6 years of experience. So I just
1.5.
wanted to ask,
Hmm.
I just wanted to ask if we, after the completion of this class, if we applied uh, on 2 years of experience, so what is the percentage of placement of or openings for the 2 years of experience person?
That's what I told in this session only. Even freshers
Yeah,
calls are there in the market. So 1 year, 2 years experience on a
okay,
very easy way that you can able to get scheduled. But the packages, if you ask me now, whatever the current CTC you are currently drawing, I
yeah,
don't know. On top of that, 60 to
yeah,
70%
yeah,
of ratio is minimum that companies will offer. On top of that, depending upon
okay,
your performance, depending
okay,
upon how the way you convince the interviewer, that will decide.
okay,
Hi, Kumar. I
Yeah,
okay,
have,
hi.
thank you.
one more
Yeah, hi.
clarification. Yeah, Mahesh here. So,
Manish.
as you said,
Mahesh.
yeah. So you were saying that AI won't replace the SCM product, right? You were
Hmm.
saying. So,
Hmm.
like in most of the almost all the industries, like AI agents are coming, right? So they are writing
Here also we have
the
now
agents.
already we are
Okay.
using AI agents in this.
Then, like whatever the configuration which you consultants doing, right? Same thing like the AI agents can do,
No.
right?
Configuration it won't do. The usage of the configuration automation AI agents will do. Configuration AI agent never do in the Oracle system. The usage, once you configure it now, the transactional part, that AI agents can help you out.
Then what consultant will do exactly? Then the human intervention, like human
Consultant,
intervention.
if we configure the system, the entire functionality design, if we do in the system, then the role of AI agents we have in Oracle Fusion to execute that work. I mean to say in the usage of the day-to-day transactions. See, for example, today HR want to transfer 500 employees into some location. These things you can automate through the agents. But in order to perform that, first of all, system to be configured, right? How many organizations that client have, how many locations they have, who all are the employees data that working in the system. These role we will do. Next
Hi,
specialty.
Kumar.
Hey, Kumar.
Hi.
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 Hello.
Hello.
Anyone, please? Yeah.
Hi, Kumar. This is Farhana here.
Hi, Farhana.
I wanted to ask, tomorrow we can payment tomorrow we can. We want to come to office tomorrow and discuss related to career gap.
You can come. You can come, no
Hey, Kumar.
problem.
Hi.
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
You can come, no problem. Yeah, please.
Hey,
Yeah,
Kumar.
who is
I
it?
have
Rohit, huh?
two. Yeah. So, Kumar, I have two
Yeah.
questions. So, first is that
Mhm.
what are the remote opportunities in this domain, like Oracle Fusion HCM, like because I
What are the
personally have a
remote means? I
location
didn't get you.
constraint. So yeah, just checking on that. Like,
No,
what are the
generally,
remote opportunities? Like,
as I told you, someone also asked the same
hmm.
question. Ansari from Dubai, he asking.
Hmm.
In ERP applications, not only Oracle, Oracle, SAP, Workday,
Hmm.
any ERP applications you take in the market, even before COVID also, we used to have the work from home opportunities in this domain. Because as I told you, in the consulting jobs, there is no mandatory that you need to come and sit in the office and then have to do the deliverables. Anywhere you can place
Right.
and you can able to coordinate with the team and you can work it on it. So for women students or even people who have the location constraint, good number of remote opportunities are there. Even Oracle itself given permanent work from homes to many candidates. So while you are
Correct.
dropping the resume only, you prefer mention that you are looking for a remote opportunity. Without mentioning, if you get into the loop, you attended the interview, you got the offer, then getting into discussion with HR, that will create a lot of confusion.
Correct.
Upfront, you mention, they will definitely give you that opportunity, not an issue.
Okay. Great. Thank you so much. And second on to my
All right,
second
Kumar.
question. Another question is that how the recruitment cycle like works in here. There are some positions which are not open on a yearly basis, like each and
Year
every
end,
month.
like that, people will have a myth. Like whenever November, December come, it's a lean period in the IT. We don't have the openings like that. But as such, in ERPs, we are not seeing that. Throughout the year, the recruitments are happen. Why? Because it's not about only the implementation projects. We have support projects also in this domain. So
Right.
throughout the year, client has to be supported by someone. So that's why throughout the cycle, round the clock, 365 days, the recruitments will happen in this domain.
Right. Right.
Yeah. Next question, team.
Perfect. ठीक है. Thank you so much.
Hi, sir. Khaja here.
Hi, Kaja.
Yes, sir. I am a candidate with 10 years of experience. My 7 years of experience in payroll processing. And since last 4 years,
Okay.
I'm working as a implementation support consultant. But I'm
In
working
which
on a
tool?
different product, Ramco payroll tool.
Ramco payroll. Okay. The simple thing is just you replace that with Oracle HCM in your experience whenever you're dropping the resume.
Yeah. One question, sir. In past, means before when I was doing payroll processing, I did SAP on-premise and SuccessFactor courses
Great. Okay.
to change the my profile. But
Domain.
in the beginning, I did attend a few interviews, but I was not able to crack. So I started with smaller companies, and now I'm in Ramco as an implementation consultant. So how if I join the class, I will put the effort. Yeah.
Definitely, I can tell you, compared to SAP, the learning point of view, the learning curve in Oracle Fusion will be ease because no coding has been involved here, no technicality much is involved here. It's a plain functional application. If you are able to handle Ramco application, Oracle application will be much easier to you. Even it simplifies than Ramco, compared to Ramco also. So definitely you can handle that, not an issue. Because I personally worked in Ramco application in my previous experiences. I know that.
Okay, sir. Can we discuss any HR or admin from your team,
You can
sir?
discuss, no problem, no problem. You just
Okay.
reach out to that number displayed over the website and you can reach out, no problem, okay? Or even the chat
Sure.
button, team sending the message, no, you can. Next
Okay,
question,
sure.
Varghese, any question, Varghese?
Hello. Kumar, are you here?
Hello.
Hello. Hi, Kumar.
Yeah, anyone?
Hello.
Please. Yeah, hello, please. Evelyn.
Kumar, this is Evelyn from Evelyn. So I'm just trying to understand. So these are the modules that you're covering, right? So post which should I need to take up a separate Oracle certification exam and get that cleared as well? How does
Evelyn,
this
you
work?
are from India only or from US you are connecting?
Oh, I'm from India.
India only. See, generally in India, certification is not a mandatory criteria. Actually, in tomorrow's session, I'm going to cover that as well. We are not seeing certification as a mandatory thing in Oracle Fusion, but Workday and SAP, yes, certifications definitely companies are asking. But the best thing with Oracle Fusion is companies are not particular about the certification. You don't need to worry about that. Certification, when to do and all, I will tell in tomorrow's session. Typically, once you join the organization, if your client is very particular that they want to onboard only the certified consultants, then your project manager will ask you. Then they will pay the fee on behalf of you. Every company will have the coupon codes with them. They will pay the fee on behalf of you and you can plan. Now, no one in the call, I'm telling you, don't plan any certification. But people from US, Middle East in the call, you people might require to do certification because in your recruitment phases, if you see in those countries, they are much more fascinated towards certifications, every company. You might need to do, but in India, definitely not required. Okay.
And I also have one more question. So, what will be the global opportunity if I'm planning to now shift my career to Oracle HCM and down the lane 3 to
See,
4 years or 5 years, I'm working with that. And
okay.
how do you see a global,
See, basically, the market, the consultant role in Oracle Fusion application, when you're starting your career initially, you might be a junior resource in the project. You might be asked to work remotely. Remotely in the sense, I mean to say offshore, not remotely, offshore. From India, you have to work. But 3 years, 4 years, or 5 years experience once you gain, once you become a senior consultant, you have to be in the client place. So in Oracle Fusion HCM, on-site opportunities are also very high for the candidates team. with 3-4 years of experience, if you gain in this domain, easily you will get on-site opportunities and you will be sitting in the client place for implementing the project. And moreover, if you are planning to transition completely your base from India to US or Canada or Australia, wherever you go, this is a global product. Anywhere the projects will be available. So you can plan for any country to get, and you can get the job over there as well. Okay. Well, team, I will conclude here for today. We'll join back tomorrow. So once again, thank you everyone for taking your time and attending the session today. And sorry everyone for keeping you wait for a very long time because it's a demo. I have to cover everything. Now I hope everyone got some clear idea about this technology and the suitableness for you and all team. So I request again, please confirm your registration. Our team have shared the payment link to you in the chat button in the Zoom and also in your WhatsApp. And one thing, before closing the session, someone dropped me a message here. Kumar, Oracle have laid off recently 30,000 globally. Do we have an impact in this? I want to make you very clearly. One simple thing here. Oracle laid off whom? Their internal employees. Whoever working in their company, their employees have been laid off. But once you learn this technology, you will not work only in Oracle. Now, this is Oracle related product. This will be used by every client in the market. And every software company in the market will do project in this. Deloitte, TCS, Infosys, Capgemini, everywhere. You have to understand the link. By listening the word Oracle, this is also impacting. No. Oracle have laid off their internal employees to automate their processes with AI and all, to reduce their manpower. But that is nothing to do with your jobs. This is Oracle related product. That's all. You are not going to work in Oracle so that you will be laid off again. No. This product, once you learn, you will have jobs in all the IT companies in the market. So be clear with this point, team, right? So please do confirm the registration. The offer will be strictly valid for tonight, team. Tomorrow, as I told you, separate meeting link will be shared for the registered participants, team. So please do complete the registration by tonight and get your access creation done so that our team will share the access to you. And also the community link for tomorrow's meeting link. So tomorrow, sharp 7 p.m. we'll be joining back. We'll start with our regular classes team. By 8 p.m. we will conclude. So every day it won't extend like this. 7 to 8 sharp it will be concluded. So thank you. Thank you everyone for joining today's demo. Let's join back tomorrow and we'll proceed with our trainings team. Thank you. Thank you everyone.